In love with her now?
Yes. Been in love with you. I'm crazy in love. Right? I know you're hungry. I'm sorry. Look at those nails. Look at those nails.
So this is the Pitocin I was talking about that was running before, that's now going to run to help your uterus get back to where it needs to be. So. £8 2 ounces. That's one good sized little girl.
Oh, I'm sorry. I know.